How to turn off active status on Instagram. So you need to open the Instagram, and to see the active status settings, you need to click on the bottom right corner where you see the profile, and then click on the top right corner where you see the three lines. Now here we will scroll down and you will find how others can interact with you, message and story replies. Now here it says who can see you are online in Instagram, show activity status. So I'll click on show activity status, and here you can turn off, I mean if it's turned on, just turn off like this. Allow accounts you follow anyone message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram. So this will be turned off and nobody else will be able to see whether you are online in the Instagram or not. So the Instagram online status will be off. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.